Welcome to our channel. If you need to register in SAM.gov and become payment ready for federal work, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete this essential requirement. Step 1. Understand that SAM stands for System for Award Management, and registration is required for any business seeking federal contracts or grants. Registration is free and should only be done through the official SAM.gov website. Step 2. Obtain a DUNS number from Dun and Bradstreet before starting your SAM registration. This unique 9-digit identifier is required for your SAM profile. Note, DUNS is transitioning to the Unique Entity ID in SAM.gov. Step 3. Gather required information before starting, including your business legal name, physical address, tax identification number or EIN, banking information for electronic funds transfer, and names of company executives. Step 4. Visit SAM.gov and click Get Started under Entity Registration. Create a user account if you don't have one, which is different from your entity registration. Step 5. Complete the core data section with basic business information, NAICS codes that describe your business activities, and certification about your business size and type. Step 6. Enter your electronic funds. Transfer information carefully in the financial information section. This is how you'll receive payment for federal contracts, so verify account and routing numbers. Step 7. Complete assertions and representations about your business, including size standards, small business certifications, and compliance with various regulations. Step 8. Submit your registration and wait for validation, which can take 7 to 10 business days. Monitor your registration status and respond promptly to any requests for clarification. Your registration must be renewed annually. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.